What's good with y'all boys and girls, you feel me? So today's video, I'm be going to the rainforest, you feel me? Made this a couple months ago, I just never posted it, you feel me? I went with my granddad and my sister. I ain't really know, feel me? They mess with being on camera, so I really ain't recording like that, but you hear that voice. Feel me? Y'all gonna see my granddad kept trying to play me in these clips, you feel me? And you feel me? He was trolling the whole time. Like, you know, if you know me, trolling is my favorite word now, man. Like, I love saying trolling, man. Man, I hope y'all enjoy this video, man. It's kind of lit, you feel me? And I hope y'all mess with it, you feel me? And we're gonna get straight into this video, yeah. And the reason I ain't show my face because my hair looking crazy and I just woke up, yeah. I'm not gonna fake it to you. But yeah, see y'all out there. Baby, they put a dead horse here and stink.
Oh, there's some animals over there, yeah.
I guess. Oh, I'm gonna have to taste some. Ooh. A little monkey.
I see something over there.
Do you?
I thought we could move too.
No, they just get all them, but I don't let them make that.
Where are the animals at, man?
I see. They probably all trying to get some sleep.
Like me for real. You see the animal right there?
I don't see that.
It's asleep. It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
What is it?
I don't even know.
Cause what you see?
It's right there. It's asleep. Unless it's a dead animal.
You don't know one you can see it.
I don't know.
You must be one of them.
No.
You can see them, you know them, so just right
Can't
there.
even.
That's quick.
It's right there.
That's a tree branch.
No, look behind the tree
Oh,
branch.
yeah, come over here. You can't see it. It's black.
Yeah.
Up there by that little green sign.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Come over here more. You can see the face over here. Can you see it over there?
Probably.
You can see it better over there.
Yeah.
I don't know what that. I'm not sure.
I don't know what that
is. Is that a
is.
picture? Let me see. I don't know what this picture.
I think it's supposed to be that.
You know what? This is what it is right there. It's a what is it called?
A bingatona? I don't know.
Yeah,
need to
from,
get
from
up.
Southeast Asia. Yeah, that's whatever that is.
I don't know.
He probably sleeping, boy.
He's sleeping real good.
Because he, you know, these animals, people just watch them all day long. They get tired of that. They just go to sleep, you know. So when I came here years ago, oh God, this had to be in the 70s, okay?
The 70s.
That's been a long time, right?
Yeah.
And guess what?
50 years.
They were just, the 70s or the 80s, one, but they were just putting it was the 80s. They were just putting this together.
So if a bird touches them, how much touch them down?
Well, the touches where I get
Oh, he went under the water. No. Oh, but I know y'all seen that animal though. He went under the water. Sorry. I want to say hi to bro, but I guess I can't. That's tough. Anteater. Oh, see, now it's out the water. Stopping like, oh. A flying turtle. See, now I come back around, Grandad, so you can see a better shot. Got a nice old tail. Man, don't take me, big bro.
Bingo. Got him good. Wow.
I don't think that's gonna happen now. Now, if you have food, it'd be different.
He even smiled for the camera.
The team signing to a 10-day. He gonna get all the buckets. He got the long arms. He got that long wingspan.
He win every game, you know.
Yeah, he gonna win us every game. Hire me to find frogs, cause I'm just like that.
I think you should be on the other side of the exhibit.
No. I hear him trying to play me though. Like, why is he trying to play me? Why am I getting played? Somebody left their sock.
How many sticks is it?
Somebody left their sock.
That's a frog. Ain't no sock. It's a frog.
So
Oh, right
far-
there. Oh.
Frog and a snake.
Yeah, I'm sure that's not bad. Oh, there's the frog. I see it. Oh, that's crazy.
What do you think of the frog over here?
Yeah, it's a frog right there.
That snake sleeping.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Puerto Rican chest coat frog. So many frogs. They just love frogs, don't they?
Where you find a frog at?
I didn't find a frog. Now I gotta find it. Found by every other one. I found this one. And I don't see it at all. Let me show the metal. I don't see it. Stuff at all. Well, just gotta give up on that one. Alright. Then a green and black poison dart frog. Oh, there it is. Right there. Alright, so we about to go to the climbing toad. Okay. I look for it, we about to find it, and we about to be grilling great. Hopefully I can find this frog though. Where is it at? Like, I just can't find nothing today. Where is it at? Oh, there it is. Right there. Go. Some bats.
I'm hiding now.
Are you scared of bats?
Am I scared of that? Yeah.
Oh, God. Snake? You call me a snake? I do got something in me. It's called greatness. But yeah, though, it's just this black snake. This thing is raw. It's really my friend for real, even though I'm low-key scared of snakes. It might bite my brains off, but you know, it be like that though.
He's a Geico.
A what?
A Geico lizard.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't like those Geico commercials. That's a Geico. Look at it.
So inspirational, man. Grandad, you know it's not recording, right?
Oh, sure. Turn it off.
All right, now you're good and back in business.
It's a deep sleeper right here.
It is a deep sleep burger. You gonna keep tapping on those guys? Oh, that big.
Oh, look at that. Whatever that is. Dang.
Ooh,
It is weird looking.
chameleon.
Oh, that's a lizard too.
Yeah. Chameleon.
He's,
Yeah.
he's an ugly one too, ain't he?
Yeah, you are.
That's me.
Yeah.
Dang, good. You just
He is. He ain't cute at all.
I gotta imagine how all these is. You think gonna burn the house down?
You know what? That ad eater would have a.
You have a field day.
It's like a buffet, man. Oh, have his own thinking. Somebody thought about it. He would have a ball.
Well, that's a big one right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is. I gonna do.
And them ones, those kinds, they'll bite you good
I don't
too.
want them to crawl out.
And those are the red ants. And they all over here.
But you know what? Ants are very smart.
Yeah.
Those
You know, they're probably one of the most organized insect in the insect kingdom. They know how to prepare for things. They know how to work together better than human beings. But they don't argue and fight with each other. And they work. You know, they're always working to make things better. You know, bring food in when it's too cold.
Now it's raining over here, so now they about to really get it good. That is so nice. This thing with the metal. Oh, that is so nice, man. It's crazy.
I want you to touch the wrist. Put your hand like this, right here. Oh, you got a big one.
Because I know you feel it just in take a bath, but not now. Okay? So can you wait to take a bath quick?
I already took one.
You don't have to take it right now.
But man, I hope y'all rock with this though. And see y'all next video though, for sure. Bye y'all. Peace.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be